Hi everybody, in this video I will talk about interfaces in Kotlin. Now you start with this diagram. We have the interface, animal interface, we have a bird interface, and the interface only contain function and function definition. So inside the first the bird class implement two interface, animal and bird interface. So it must implement all the method in the interface, and you see that interface here will contain some of the methods that has the same name. For example, it contains a it function with the same name, and you must implement all the function of two interface from this class. So how to do this? Firstly, you continue with a blank project and create a new Kotlin file, and you and this file will be a kt means Kotlin file. It is inside the same package hello, so package hello it is the same file with the example Kotlin example.kt. So I define the public interface, animal interface. So inside the animal interface we have some of the function, for example function walk, and function walk only through a message that I can walk. You also have the function eat, or animal can eat, can walk. So animal can eat and can walk. Okay, so we define a new bird interface. Then the bird interface is an interface that stand for some animals that can fly. So we firstly add it to the package hello, and then you can add a function, for example function fly, or the bird can fly. The fly function shows that I can fly, and the bird can fly, and the bird can eat. The function eat calls that I am a bird and I can eat. So we have the bird the eat function occur in both bird interface and animal interface. And the bat class, the bat class means that a bat can fly and can walk also. So we have the bat class is a bat object that implements the animal interface and the bird interface. So this class implement two interface, so it must implement all of the function inside the interface. It must implement so you override or implement, you on press override syntax. So let user the override function. Firstly we have walk, and the super walk mean call from the interface implementation. You can override fly, or the bat can fly. Okay, and what about the it? The it has in two interfaces, so you must specify you user from which of the interface. For example, I point out that I need animal interface, and the second line is get from the bird interface. So we have a super dot animal interface dot it, and the third line will be the task done in this class. So you can print out that I am a bird, and so I can walk, I can fly. You create a new project of bat, and the project of bat now can you can call the function walk After calling the walk, you see I am a rock, I can walk. And so this is a function from super. I call from super. Here I implement previously from the super, and I print now I am a bat, I can write. Okay, so and what about the you can do the same with the function of fly, the fly function, and also the eat function. Yes, you can use to print line for easier to see the output when you run. Okay, so you can see that you can call the fly here, and you also add it to see that I am a bird and I can eat. Okay, it is two line from get from the super or from the interface implementation. And you can add more tasks here by adding more line to this. So for example, I can a bat, I can eat, and you save this file and rerun again. So you can see that we now have the message from the super or the interface, and the message in this implementation. I get a bat and I can use. Okay, let's talk about the